Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy. What if I tell you if there is an app which you can download on your mobile and you can listen to the books? Now you heard it right. I'm talking about listening to the books. We all must have heard about reading books, but no. Today I will be talking about how you can listen to the books. The books will speak to you. Yes, that is Audible by Amazon. Now, this is such an amazing experience. Many a times we don't get time, many a times we don't want to read, many a times we don't feel like opening the books. But most of the times we love to listen to music, we love to listen to people, we love to listen to good content, and this is where Audible comes into picture. All the books which you ever wanted to read and learn and gain the knowledge, you can do that through Audible. The pages which you read will be directly spoken in your ears. You can listen to the every word of that book. And this is why Audible is one of the best experiences, which I can definitely assure you. Now, if you want to really try this out, this is as simple as it. You can start your free trial. I will give you a link which will be in the description box below. You can click that link and you can start your free trial. The first audiobook is free. Rupees 199 is what you need to pay after 30 days. So for the first 30 days, it will be free. And you will also get an audiobook free. And how much you are paying for all the books which you can listen at Audible? It's just 199 rupees per month. You can cancel anytime after 1 month if you feel that you may not be able to get enough time. Now, this is one of the most amazing experiences of my life, because most of the times I did not have time to listen, to read, but I had time to listen to things. You can start your free trial, as I've already told you. Whether the books are for entertainment, education or inspiration, all you can get. So these are great first listens, customers favorite, editors picks. Now these are the books which are so famous, everyone would want to read these books, but because of a busy schedule, because of a busy time, we do not get enough time to pick the book and read. Now, when do you get time to listen to these books? That's what you would be wondering. Well, you may buy a wireless earphone or a headphone. You can put it in your ear and you can just tap on the Audible book which you want to listen, and you can do all the work which you want to do in your home. Since we are in lockdown, we have so much of time. Why do we waste our time? Why can't we use that time to listen to good content, learn valuable lessons of life from books? You can use that wireless earphone and listen to these audiobooks and do all the work which you're doing at your home. So what do you get? 1 credit a month, good for any audiobook regardless of the price. Members get over 350 minutes of hand-picked listens for free. Exclusive member saving, get 30% off of any additional audiobooks. You can own your audiobooks, keep your audiobooks forever even if you cancel. Easy exchange, don't like to book, swap it for free. Wow, this is unbelievable. Now, once you get Audible on your mobile phone, the app which you can download, you can access all these books on your phone through a click of a button. 350 minutes of hand-picked good quality content will be free. You can buy additional audiobooks at 30% discount. Even if you cancel your subscription for 199 rupees per month, you will get these audiobooks for your life. So once a purchase is made, that book will be with you forever. Easy exchange. Don't like the book, you can swap it for free as well. Now this is the best deal which you're getting. Uninterrupted listening. Now listen to your books seamlessly across devices with with the free app. Even if you switch devices, you'll never lose your place. Okay, Apple, Android, on your mobile phone, on your iPad, on your laptop, on your Echo devices, everywhere. You can also tell your Echo devices, Alexa, to read this book from Audible, or Alexa, next chapter please. Alexa, show my books. Oh, this is unbelievable. I don't know how better our experience would be in the days to come. Now if you have a Prime membership, for which I have already made a video, what the benefits of Prime members can avail 90-day free trial as against 30-day free trial for regular customers. Oh my goodness, this is such a great deal. Now I am an Amazon Prime member and I am availing this deal and I just love it. So I would advise you to take Amazon Prime subscription, in which you get so many good offers. I've already made a video. You can search that video on my channel through Amazon Prime, and this is how your life will change. You can listen anytime, anywhere, enjoy your books while you're cooking, jogging, commuting, or gardening. That's what I was talking about. This is how you can make the maximum out of these books, and this will certainly change the way you think about books. So I'm sure you would love to go and experience this amazing device, this amazing app on your phone. So you can click the link which I will be giving in the description box below. You can directly subscribe, take the free trial now for $199, experience this beautiful experience, and then I'm sure you will never cancel your subscription. And even a better option, if you are looking for free deliveries, if you're looking for great content on your TV through Amazon Prime, you can buy Amazon Prime, wherein you will get all that benefits plus 90 days of free Audible subscription. This is the best deal I've ever heard. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.